When a project is finished, then we can inquire a tiling consignation list. In ARCHLine.XP 2019 version, now you have an option to get this list room by room. In this example, as you can see on the 3D view, that bathrooms, corridor and also the living room are covered with tiles. In order to create a consignation list by each room, there is a need to place room stamps in every room. In this case, there is no room stamp in the living room. Let's create one in the following way. On the ribbon menu, select Building, and from the Room and Area Group command, choose Room by Wall command. Now move the cursor over the living room and place the stamp. The room stamp is ready. The room contour is marked with blue line. The room book can be modified under Properties. Under Calculated Values, we can specify the type of the rooms and select other parameters that are needed. On the ribbon bar, select Documentation. Under Quantity Takeoff, choose Excel list and finally click on the Tiling option. In the appearing dialog window, select the wall and slab. Now an Excel file will be generated. On the first tab, we can find the tiling summary. On the last tab, we can find the tiling breakdown by each room. So here can be found the details of the bathroom, corridor and living room to which we added a room stamp previously. Also, you can find details of tiling sheets such as the number of whole tiles, half tiles, quarter tiles we need during the project room by room.